safety squints engaged.
I was able to check out the car, and there's no oil in this.
So you really wanted to void the warranty?
Yes, we're all about voiding the warranty.
And that, kids, is how you steal a catalytic converter.
Hilarious. Also probably true.
See on my hand?
Oh, you want to start it now? Might sound better.
It's definitely gonna not sound any worse than this Godspeed junk.
Can we cut that zip tie off? That's just...
Yeah, we were already talking about that.
deals
Not the muffler,
Don't wanna
that
sleep
one.
in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. Have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest.
Sir?
What?
I know what we're going to do.
Oh, I like it.
I hate you.
That'll add like 2.5 horsepower, I'm pretty sure.
Make sure the Magno says Magno. Yeah, we're going to have to tweak that a little.
I mean, I like this side. That side looks like it needs a little fabrication work.
Alright. Alright, so we just need to bend that down. Let's see if we can get a pipe in there. Get that to bend down enough. Oh yeah, that'll be mint. Yo dog, my pipe has a pipe. Right, stowing this here muffler.
Interesting. What do you need? What do you want?
I need the welder on.
Power button, you said. We need more power.
Power me up, dude.
Turn it off, but at least just want to sit there while you're using it. No, forget about that. Hand.
Why is it crooked?
Crooked?
Like, pipe is crooked? The hanger needs to be adjusted.
Okay.
So we need to loosen up the 214s down at that flange and tweak this around here.
214s at what flange? I guess I'll
Right in front of. You know where the hanger was that wasn't connected? Yeah, right about there.
that we can't get to currently.
Let me just. Shorten this
and death been stabbed in the back bed. I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show.
Safety squints, engage.
Things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love.
Alright, watch yourself.
We need to manipulate your exhaust system slightly.
I mean, there's a ton of room.
Oh yeah, no, it's got space.
Keep going, dog.
It's fine.
That's good. Hey,
good.
that's actually helping. Oh, okay,
Oh,
perfect.
shit.
Just
Good.
leave that.
Yeah, we're good.
There, that's me.
Like Altoid.
Things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own.
This is super ghetto.
This is ghetto, but this is what
Hold on,
driving
Devon.
work's all about.
Go down, Devon. Go up, Devon. Yeah, let's get stupid with this, eh?
Sure, why not?
Devon,
Yes.
go up.
Going up.
A little more. Okay, go down. Can't see anything up in there. Well, we're clearing this a lot better.
Oh yeah.
So it's not going to hit
No
here
doubt.
anymore.
How's the control arm right there look?
There's even
Tons-
more room.
Okay, I like it.
Because you can see where it was hitting previously.
Yep.
What's this look like?
Hang on, backing up.
Devon.
Ooh, it's higher on the driver's side.
Yep.
Okay. Which we still have some more adjustment in here.
Bringing that up actually kind of makes it mostly even.
I think you need to come down further on the driver's side, not up on the passenger.
Okay. I was just trying not to get
No,
too
I
much gap.
see what you're saying, but I think that hanger is the culprit. I could be wrong, but this is the assumption I'm making.
Oh, let's get the. Still needs to come down more.
Yes.
From look at like here.
Yeah, roughly.
Okay.
The higher we could tuck it up, though, the better.
Agreed.
Well, this muffler's thin. I don't think you're gonna have ground clearance problems with it.
So fight and die for the things you know you